So in the previous session, simply we studied about how to create the pages as well as the sub pages. So now move to the current session. So here some more options you are going to see. For that one, I am using this courses page, opening this courses page. So here right side you are seeing this insert. So in this insert the various options exist like text box, images. Already these two topics previous session we completed. So move to the next one, that is the embed. So this is like a yellow icon. So whenever you click on this one, embed from the web means what? From the website, from the website, whichever website. If you want to embed, if you want to merge, what do you mean by embed? To merge or to place into our website. For example, here I'm giving one of the website like vedantu.com. So here whenever I will mention this one, so the entire website simply I'm going to place inside to my website. Simply I'm going to merge or embed or place into my website. So for that one, what you have to do, just give that web address bar, the website name. That is what this, using this by URL. What is meant by URL? Uniform Resource Locator. So it is nothing but the website address, or you can say the website name. For example, this is a website name. So whenever you click, whenever you enter this website name or web address bar here, then here you will get two options. One is whole page and another one is preview. If you want to display, if you want to insert whole page, click on this one. If you want to only preview of this icon, then you can use this one and enter the insert. For example, now first I'm using the whole page. Press this insert. So here whatever this related Vedantu website, simply I placed in my website. So this is Vedantu is another website. Simply I embedded, I placed, I merged into my website. So from my site, from my website, I'm going to access this Vedantu website, another website. So this is, as this is indicated as a whole page. So this is a whole page. So, and see one more option, the same website. So one is the whole page and another one is the preview. So for example, I am using this preview, insert. So here two options I placed. One is the whole page, and again one more thing is what, if you want to resize this one, you can resize as per your requirement. For example, I'm just going to resize this embedded code to like this. Yeah, so how much you require, so that you can just place, you can make the adjustment for this website. So this is the entire whole page, whereas this is a just preview of that one. So I'm placing just side by this one, so that we can see the differences between these two. So once again I'm just making the adjustments between these two. So this is, these two are belongs to the Vedantu website. These two websites simply I embedded by using this embed icon. I embedded into my website, into my, this is my website, into my website simply I embedded. So here this is the whole page and this is the just preview. Preview means what? It is a short description regarding that website. So if you want to see the preview of this website, if you want to see how your website will look to others who can access your website, so here the preview is available. Click on this preview, so that how your website accessible to others, those who are opening by using your link. So this is what your courses page. In this one simply we embedded this Vedantu. So this is a complete website. So here if you are having the scroll bar, using the scroll bar you can scroll down, and from this one if you want to see, you can access this Vedantu website within our website. Our website is this one. So in our website already we embedded, we placed this Vedantu website. From my website you can access this Vedantu, whatever the related options here. For example, here the various options like courses, JEE related information if I want to see, or NEET related information if I want to see, simply if you can access. And just here this is the scroll bar, so the entire page you can view as the, from my website you can, the entire page you can see, watch. And this is the preview, so whenever you click on this preview, so automatically it opens into the another new tab. In that one the corresponding whatever this Vedantu website is there, so you can access. So this is what, how to, yeah, so just now I'm closing this preview. So this is what, how to embed another website into our website particular page. So sometimes if you want to import some of the websites, or sometimes if you want to attach the videos also, you can attach by using this embedded. For example, now just you can see here I'm using this address. So whatever the particular YouTube video you want, just you have to first of all take that website name or take that website address. So just I'm using this, copy pasting that video URL path, that is that video name, in the form of web address bar. So immediately it will show you here. So this particular video, this is related to some personality development. Go to insert. So here you can attach these videos like this. And if you are seeing the options open in new tab, if you do not want to open in your current page, and if you want to open separately into new page, you can use this option. So as it is indicated, open in a new tab, and here just settings option is there. Here so many options are there. First one is hide controls. So that is if you want to make it as a side out of view or normal. So by default place it as a normal. And progress bar color. So here the various options you can choose, either red or white. So by default I am placing the red. And allow the full screen. So if you are mentioning this one, so it do not allow the full screen, it is disabled. So if you want to allow the full screen, simply just make click so that it enable the full screen, and make sure that done. Now let us view this one, how your video simply looks like in your website. So already first two are related to your websites Vedantu, and now just simply you embedded particular video. So this is the video related to some personality development skills. If you want to run it, then you can run this one. So yeah, so like this one. And if you want to make a full screen, so here just top completely bottom side, just right side of this YouTube text, you are seeing this full screen. Click on this one, then simply it will enlarge the screen to full. So again I am come back from this one. So like this simply. And if you want to share the video, and you can use the share options like this. Click on this share, and immediately the corresponding YouTube, whatever this video exists in this YouTube in the form of website address bar. So this link simply you can simply share this link to them by using the various social media like Facebook or Twitter. You can simply share. Yeah, now I'm going to simply close this preview. So like this, how to use this embed, just now we saw. And now we can see one more option, that is the drive. So what is the purpose of this drive? So this drive is nothing but your Google Drive. So already in the starting, whenever in the starting session we opened this Gmail. So here this is the Gmail. Coming to the right side, you are seeing this 9 dots, that is Google Apps. So just go to this one, and whenever you see this third row and second logo, so this is what your drive icon. Click on this drive. This is what your Google Drive. So whatever your files in any format, either in the documents, either in the Excel format, either in the PPTs, PowerPoints, or either in the videos, anything you can store here. The maximum storage by the default is up to 15 GB you can store. Here some of the previous website I stored here, and some of the Google Forms stored here, and some of the slides I stored here. So like this one, this is an Excel sheet, this is a Word, and this is a PDF. So whatever the different types of the files you can store, the maximum storage is what? 15 GB, as here it is displaying storage of 17 GB. By the default it allocates some of the GB to the mail, so remaining will be stored in the form of whatever your files are having, the form of folders, like the various files, Word, document, and related to your video, everything will be stored here in this drive. So if you want to just take the various files from the drive, and if you want to display using your website, then click on this drive. Click on this drive, and in your drive, whatever the content you are having, so here not only the simple files like 1 or 2 PDFs or 1 or 2 Word or 1 or 2 PPTs, not only you can send, but also here one more feature is what? A large or a bulk amount of data you can simply display on your website. Bulk means what? A large size of file. For example, see here, I'm going to use this folder. Which one? Here I'm having the various folders. So here in this folder I'm having this material. So by using this drive, not only single or not only some simple PDFs, you can also entire folder. For example, here I'm seeing the various folders: ASB, Classroom, Discrete Mathematics, Dropbox, and GD and material, and some out of this various folders I am having. So if I want to send entire folder, so at that time you can just select this one, and in the downside you are seeing this insert. Click on this insert. So now, as per your customer requirement, if you want to make this as a minimize, you can minimize as per your requirement. Yeah, so just I'm moving it to the this side, downside. Yeah, so you can move as per your requirement. If you want to move left to right, center, or top or down, just place on this one and drag anywhere so that it can easily move. So here this is the entire material if I want to display by using the website. So this is what your material, and now I'm going to see whether in this material which type of the files I can access. So for that one, first you have to do, go to publish. Why you are using the publish? If you want to make visibility to the others, first of all you have to do the publish. Publish means what? Whatever the changes, whatever the new modifications you did till now, that will be simply permanently fixed. So that's why you have to do this publish. And after the publish, you are seeing here two types of windows you are seeing. One is the draft and another one is the currently published. Draft means what? Till now latest which modifications you did, those will be placed in this one. So just now I placed this to Vedantu. One is the whole page website, and another one is Vedantu preview type of web page, and next one I just simply entered this one of the video related to the personality development. And now just now I added which one this is. Just now I have added which one this is, the material, complete entire my material folder from the Google Drive. So this is what, whatever the latest modifications you did, those will be simply stored in the form of draft, and whatever the previous up to which modifications you did in the previous and up to that one you published, that is the currently published. Once again I'm just going to publish. If I go to click on this publish again, then at that time whatever this latest modifications like Vedantu 2 websites, one video, and related to this Google Drive, from the Google Drive some of the folder I selected, all will be recently whichever I modified, it will be simply posted on that website. So after publishing this one, if you want to see how your website looks like, so go to this view published site. So here the contents displays like this. So this is your Vedantu whole page website, and this is your preview, Vedantu preview page. And next one is, this is your YouTube. From that YouTube, simply you added one video in the form of using embedded code. And here if you are seeing, this is a title material. This is just now you have added which one from the Google Drive your material. So if you want to access this one, just click on this one. Yeah, so click on this one. Simply it will show you whatever the material, if you are having, for example, here so many folders in that material, so many folders again I'm having like this ADAC, CECN. Just click on this. I'm just click on this one of this ADAC. So again here I'm seeing some of the files, some of the folders and subfolders, and again in that one this is related to some word, and I'm going back to again to see in that previous folder whatever the other different files exist. So this is another file. So in this one some PowerPoints, PPTs, means what, some of the PowerPoint slides. So like this, a bulk amount of the data, if you want to simply send in the form of website to your students. For example, this website you are creating for the students purpose. So in this one, which type of the courses, which type of the subjects you are handling, for the subjects the corresponding videos if you want to view to the students, if you want to show to the students, and if you want to display some of the material which are in the large volume, that is nothing but bulk, means a large number of files including with the all folder, if you want to send at a time by using this website, it is visible. But for that one, what you have to do, one thing is you have to do the give the permission to the particular student. If the students belongs to you, then you have to give the permission. So how to give that permission? See, for example, see here in the top options, you are seeing here this plus sign. So share with others. So here what I'm doing to know, so this is what this is. I am as the owner simply modified this website, and for example now you added this large amount of the data in the form of folder, and now you want to share to your particular students. For example, I'm using this student, and just add that student mail ID here, and after entering that mail ID, here in the right side you are going to see options. Two options exist, editor and published viewer. Editor means what, to whom you are giving the permission to see your files, he can also edit. Edit means what, he can change that files. So that's why now I am giving only to see the content, not to change the content to my student. So this is my student, and for him I am giving the only the authority like published viewer. Viewer means what, only to see. Editor means what, even to see as well as to edit, means what, change the content also. But as this mail ID belongs to student, so that's why simply I am giving the permission to view only. So published viewer. So now what you have to do, just click on this send. So once you send this one, automatically the website link goes to your student mail ID. So just I'm opening, this is the student mail ID. So actually this is also my name, but actually I created two accounts. So this is a student account, so and one more in the first one, this is my, if you are observing, this is the 1207. So this is what my as a owner or main administrator of that website. So and one more mail ID I'm having here. So this is what, yeah, this is 1209. This is belongs to, I created one student account in the form of same my name. So just verify with this one. So just now I shared with the student this particular link related with this drive. Using the drive option, a bulk amount of the files folder simply I displayed, or I simply placed inside my website, and I am giving the permission to see the contents of the file to my students. So here this is the student. So immediately whenever you share the link to your student with the help of mail ID, immediately in his mail, in your student's mail, the message simply goes and it will display like this one. So just publish with this following set, just open. So if my student wants to open that website, and if you want to see whatever the files simply displayed, whatever the files simply displayed by the corresponding faculty or corresponding teacher, it will be displayed in this website. So here go to this material, click on this one. So in another new tab it opens. So whenever the student clicks, first of all it simply goes to in the form of request. One request message simply goes to the where to the teacher. Then next teacher accept his request. Then after the corresponding student can open that file folder and he can see inside that file whatever the various material exist in the form of some Word or PDF or videos, any different types of files. But this is what large or a bulk amount of. For example, if you are having some entire topics related videos and notes and PPTs, so if you want to send through the Gmail, it won't accept more than that 25 MB. So that's why if you want to send this material in the form of the website, you can easily send and give the permission. Main thing is give the permission. Whenever the student wants to open, for immediately the message goes to the teacher such that so and so student wants to open your material. Then teacher has to give the permission. Then after the corresponding student can open that material and he can see whatever the corresponding teacher he send whatever the material related to his topic or subject. So this is what related to the Google Drive. So this is the one main feature in your Google site. So from the Google site you can simply display a large number of files to your students or to your colleagues also.